Oh yeah.
Oh god, this thing's a freaking monster, dude. That's gonna be some really strong winds.
Left edge? No, never mind. I'm wrong. It almost looks like there's rotation.
Yeah. That's a roar. That's a freaking roar, dude.
That's a roar.
There's rotation too, it looks like. There's rotation right there.
That's a tornado. Rotating updraft.
That might very well be.
You got the rain sheets circling around it.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I'm probably not gonna want to be outside for that. Look at that. Yeah, it's rotating.
It does look like it's connecting to the ground. It's rapid rain curtains today.
Yeah. Yeah, there's circular movement here. All right, I'm getting in. EF0. You want to call it in?
Let's see if there's. Oh boy, that's a lot of rain.
Alan, get in the car.
All right.
It's right here.
Yeah, that's. The lamp posts are moving too. A little bit.
All right, here. That's going right over the road.
Trees are moving really.
RFD.
Yeah. We are in a tornado, dude.
Well, we're in RFD. I'm getting out of the gravel.
Yeah.
Oh shit. That's a box. That's a sign. That's hail. That's a lot of hail.
Can't see anything.
Yeah, me either. I do.
This is definitely a tornado. Never seen.
Sorry for the bad camera angle, people, but
I have never seen anything like that before.
I have. In videos online of tornadoes.
Yeah. I didn't exactly think we would be in one though.
Well, we heard the roar.
Yeah. I thought that was just the wind though, but then it. I mean, there's a lot of debris being flown around. Okay, it feels smaller now.
Yeah, I had to say something. Yeah, let's do this. Let's get some views of the hail. There's a penny.
Yeah, it's all smaller.
Yeah.
I definitely think the worst of it's past. This is all straight line now.
And a straight line RFD.
There's a lot of debris flying around too. That had to have been a tornado.
Yep, here I'm going to try to get out of this guy's way a little bit. I'm a little far over.